At Kimberly V Art, we experience the joy and excellence of creating. The heart of KVA is to teach master techniques within fine art projects. Whether virtually or in studio, I teach with constant feedback to grow the students' confidence, enjoyment, and ability. Please visit KimberlyVArt.com to find KVA's weekly school year classes, summer camps, and Masterpiece Monday offerings. Art engages all of the senses, sparking the mind, soul, and spirit to take the information we constantly gather and create with it. I believe we are all amazing individuals, and our artistic expressions should reflect that truth. There is no right way to do art, but there are many helpful techniques that make those expressions more fluid and enjoyable. Let Kimberly V Art be the next step in your creative journey. KimberlyVArt.com.